caretaker chairman of the All Progressive Congress (APC) in Rivers State, Chief Tony Okocha, has said that no politician in the state, including the governor, can dismantle the political structure of the Minister of Federal Capital Territory, Wike. He stated this on Thursday while addressing journalists in Abuja. His words: "I don't see any politician in the next 10 years supporting Wike's structure. Not even one. Like I said, I am not God, but I am talking about what is within human possibility. From what I can see, it is not possible. Not so soon." The caretaker chairman of the All Progressive Congress in Rivers State stated this on Thursday while addressing journalists. Now, the question is, what structure is he talking about? Or rather, which of the structure? Is it structure of fighting a sitting governor, or structure of hatred against sitting governor and members of the state executive, as well as sowing seed of disunity in the state? Is it the structure of lack of respect for constituted authority? A dog must bark in impression to impress the owner, so ride on. Which structure is he talking about? A baseless structure? Okocha, who is a member of APC, does not talk about his party but believes in Barrister Wike as his benefactor. Continue to promote Wike's structure, both in PDP and APC, is simply suggesting that he has no grip of APC. What a shame. Relying on Wike to remote control him, it means he lacks ideologies. As a functional APC leader, Okocha should know that nobody is contesting any structure with Wike, but just worrying over nothing. Okocha's second name is Mr. Complainant. Go to the police station. Okocha means quite right. Are you surprised? He is being sarcastic in his words. His arrogance, so much influence and power to Wike, as if he were a god. Where will Wike be in the next 10 years, as prophesied by Okocha? Okocha took to hyperbole by saying that no politician in Rivers, not even the governor or himself, can dismantle the political structure of Wike in the next 10 years. The likes of Okocha should watch their tongue or utterances before they say they were misquoted or quoted out of context. Power-drunken politicians. With time, who is who in Rivers? Who is who will tell. Yes, dear listeners, thank you for listening. Follow us for more updates. Thank you.